Once the hopper and bottle are removed, unscrew the barrel after you've checked there are no paintballs in the breech. Decop the marker and unscrew the bottom line. This will allow you to remove the valve body from the marker. Remove the cocking pin and bolt. The hammer and mainspring will be easier to access when the valve body is taken out. Now move on to the valve retaining screws holding the valve body in place. Be aware of the split washers between the screws and marker body. Pull the valve body out of the Inferno and the internals will fall into your hand. You will be left with the hammer and mainspring. Your Inferno is now disassembled and ready for maintenance.